Hey guys, it's the Motorsports Guy. This is my cat. He's very cute, but he is tearing that napkin to shreds. So cute. Okay, bye guys. Or not, because he's still doing it. Alright, bye.